Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from first group will presentation our review on the first article on the Ethnomathematics course. With the name of the article is Ethnomathematics in Sasaknese architecture. First, I will introduce our group. My name is Zura Samira and my friends Bernardinus Grida S. Untara. I will presentation about the background, objective, methodology and the discussion of this research. First, I will presentation about the background of this research. Mathematics is direction to find answer to problems faced by human being, a way of using information, using knowledge of form and size, using knowledge about counting and thinking in man himself view, and use relationship. Mathematical and cultural integration means contextual and realistic mathematics. Various cultural products of our ancestors reveal artistic creativity that contain mathematics. Cultural products in the form of artifacts such as traditional building are given the opportunity to be developed through mathematical thinking. Ethnomathematics is a way in which people use certain cultures in mathematical concepts in dealing with relational and spatial aspects in their life. Thus, ethnomathematics emerged as a new category in the conceptual discourse of mathematics education and as an interaction between mathematics and culture. Second, the objective of this research is about exploring more about the custom of Sasak community related to the calculation, measurement, modeling, designing, especially related to the traditional building of Sasaknese society. This research showed the evidence of sensitivity on the use of numbers practiced by Sasak ancestors a long time ago in doing the measurement using the anthropometric ability ethnomathematics. The third methodology of this research method. The research method used in this study was a qualitative approach with the model of ethnography. The research technique used participant observation and documentation. The interviews are the experienced custom leader and humanist who has conducted the research on Sasak society. And let's begin to the discussion and the result of this research. The basic concept of Sasak community building is a residential building called balai or house of residence, building of worship place or masjid or mosque, and the last building of food store or gardenery or sambi. The first house of residence of Balai Langga is a space that is occupied as a residence shelter hereditary in the hope of obtaining serenity, tranquility and welfare of the spirit and the mind. Classes and social function in society are two elements that affect the shape, structure, and naming of space and home. Balai Jama or Balai Tani, space and function of this farm balai is divided into three spaces, named Balai Dalam, Dalam Balai, and Ampi. Balai Dalam serves for the bathing of girls and Dalam Balai is store food and Ampi divided into two. Ampe below and ampe contact, which is function for the ampe below to place doing productive things like weaving, while the short ampe or ampe contact used for the boys' resting place. This is the design or illustrate of the ballet jamak. This in the mathematics is like the three-dimensional shape which the name is prism, the triangle prism. And then there is a canopy, or we call in Japanese like payon, for protect us from the light and the raining, so we not get wet and we don't feeling hot. And this in the roof and the payon or canopy. This is the actual building of the ballet jamak. It's very traditional, using like grass and the bamboo like that. And this from the three-dimensional shape in mathematics geometry. The next, balai bonter. The concept of balai bonter is a residence for the citizen who has the function and status of the middle nobility. This building is made to be more authoritative than balai jamak, with symbols such as spandukals and the use of the shade on the frame. In general, this type of house is equipped with a six or balai jajar, also called banjingah. This is the illustrate or design of the balai bonter. There are two segments or two parts. And the first part on the top is like a pyramid, and the second is like a blocks. And there are the stairs on there. And it is enough for me, and the next presentation will be present by my friends Krida, and for Krida, time is yours.